Okay. This me, Lil Kayla. Lil Kayla. This Lil Ashley. We're making a video.
I don't even, what are we doing?
A shout out video, I guess. So first of all,
Kayla,
I want to give a shout out to Lil
happy
Ashley.
birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday to me. See the shirt?
Okay, awkward. Anyway,
Hold it.
shouts out to Lil Ronisha.
Rodnisha Cunningham. Knickers.
She didn't hear that.
Yeah, block that out. Okay, shout out to shout out to Lil Danielle Khalifa wife. What? Lil Danny.
Yeah, shouts out to Ash Lee again.
Hey, shout out to my bestie DeAndre.
I don't got no more shouts out.
Oh, shout out to Asha. Shout out to you forgot Lauren.
Lauren.
Shout out to Marsha. This is going on Facebook for real.